Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I'm going to show you the best strategy for pocket option, and you can use this from today. If you have account from before with pocket option, by the way, I give you a super account. Yes, super account. I give you 60% of my affiliate income back to you in form of cashback. So make sure you use the link you see up here right now and open with my link. If you have account from before, like I said, make sure you close it down, withdraw your money, of course, first, then open a new account. If you don't have account from before, okay, fine. Just use also the link below the video. And if you deposit more than $100, you even get 50% extra. So now I will now show you the perfect strategy for pocket option, but before you do that, a little word from the sponsor, that is me. So let's get to it. So if you're into to make money with binder option and forex, make sure you join my Discord server. We are a lot of people there trading together, give signals together, building a community so we can work together to make more money with binder option and forex. Not only that, I go live there every single day so you can copy my trades while I'm trading and you can see my screen. So if that's something you want, make sure you join my Discord server, link below the video, completely for free. Have an amazing day. Let's now go to the video. Now let's get to the strategy. I will now show you how I am trading. So, what we do, we basically see we have a line down here. That's a perfect area. Also, we can see that we have a perfect area in the top. So if you come up here again, we will do a sell. Actually, I prefer the one up here. This one looks much stronger. And we have a 1 minute closing and $100 trades. So if you come down to this green line here, we will push up. If you come up to this red line you see up here, we will basically just push down. So, like you heard from my sponsor video, that is me in this time, I'm now going to trade live and everything at Discord. Because I want to build a big community there where we can basically trade together and help each other. So make sure you join my Discord. And for pocket option, I will do live sessions there also. I think the community there will be much stronger to trade live. So make sure you join up with this broker because yes, we are going to be trading live for pocket option there also. So this Saturday will be the first live session at Discord, so make sure you join. I will leave a link actually to that live session also. You will find it when you're there, but by the way, there is a own link for that. So now let's see. We are now just need to wait, stay patient, and we'll do a trade. We do see that when they come up to this area here, I'm tempted to take a trade here because you see 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This will be number 5. I take a trade down. Let's see. We see every time we come up there, we go down. So let's see if we continue that path. Let's see. We are currently out of the money, but I'm pretty sure he will close down below because he has done that 5 times before. Now let's see. Now we just need to wait more 35 seconds. Just need to stay patient. He will close below this line. It's more 25. Now we start to get the reaction down. We have 20 more seconds. And let's just wait. Stay patient. 13. Now we start to move down. Do you see? 8 seconds. 7. We are now starting to be in the money. 3, 2, and that was actually a winning trade in the last second. Let's go to closer to confirm, but yes. So we did see, of course I could have got a little better entry. I should have taken, if I'd taken it in the top areas, we would have been much better off. But by the way, you did see, we did win a trade there. Basically, it's just to take. But if you want to make sure, really sure you're going to win every single trade, take the good areas like the one you see up here. Just scratch this one here. just wait for something like this. Here you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, we can count this one also, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So when you come up here, be sure that there's a high probability of winning. Then to be more sure, you can move it a little up so you get the spikes. Then if you get the entry on this red line there, you are very sure you're going to win. So this is very simple. Do not use indicators, don't use any of this garbage. Stay with only support resistance and you will make money. Trust me on that. So with that, have an amazing day and I hope I see you in Discord.